Dogecoin and cryptocurrencies are about to blast off again, and in this video, I'm going to be showing you some breaking news and information that is going to blow your mind. So make sure you guys watch the entire video. You cannot miss what I have in store for you today. What's up, Myles? It's ladies and gentlemen here. Make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you do not miss these time-sensitive videos about Dogecoin and cryptocurrencies, where we call out huge plays before they happen. If you want to get access to my profitable trade alerts when to buy and sell cryptocurrencies, join my Patreon for only $10 a month, where you can message me anytime. We have a bunch of other services where you can talk to me on the phone. We can build you a portfolio and much more. If you love Dogecoin and cryptocurrencies, make sure you smash up the like button. It helps to support the channel and the Dogecoin community. And let me know in the comments if you think we're going to have and finish with a bullish week or a bearish week for cryptos. We have some credible information that we have to share with you. But before we get to that information, look at this. The total crypto market value breaks $1.9 trillion for the first time since May. Crypto markets have recorded a notable rise, surging $700 billion or 58% over the past 21 days. We have not seen this type of surge or this type of pump in a long time for cryptocurrencies. And when you see things pumping that strong, that fast, that should be the most obvious sign that the second leg of the bull run is now, that we are in that bull run. Things are just getting started. If we take a look at CoinMarketCap, it does confirm our sentiment there. $1.86 trillion. So we are very close. We could get back over to $2 trillion this weekend, which would definitely be very bullish, a very good thing to see. The past 24 hours, Bitcoin and Ethereum, Dogecoin are down, but a lot of other cryptos like Cardano really took off today. Cardano, Binance Chain. What else are we seeing today really take off? Especially in the top 20, just really Cardano and Binance Chain. Cardano is a crypto that you want to keep an eye on, put on your watch list, because Cardano is going to be getting smart contracts this month. That type of news is going to send Cardano up to the moon. We could probably see over $2 with Cardano this month. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice, just my own personal opinion. But looking at the last 7 days in the top 10 cryptos, the two winners are Dogecoin and Uniswap. Uniswap up again, just like we called out. You guys should definitely take a look at Uniswap. Up 35%, Dogecoin up nearly 30% the last 7 days. Let's take a look at the trading volume for Dogecoin. Where are we? Okay, so we're down about 26% in trading volume, but we're definitely starting to see a strong bullish trend for Dogecoin. Taking a look at the crypto fear and greed index, this can kind of give us the overall strength of the market, gives us the overall sentiment of the market, where things are headed. And we know that when things are in greed, when things are in the green, things can pump, things can move fast. There's a lot of FOMO going on. There's a lot of hype. There's a lot of excitement. And when those factors are all together, especially with a bunch of other things that we haven't even mentioned, they can help to move markets very quickly. If we look at this bottom chart here, which is a chart that does measure the fear and greed, we do see a steady uptrend. We're making higher highs and higher lows, and that confirms for us that we are in a bull trend. When we are making higher highs and higher lows, it's showing that the greed is going up, that the sentiment is picking up, the FOMO is settling in. These are the factors we definitely want when we're investing in crypto. So I have some breaking news in addition to the things that I just shared with you. So this is for Ethereum. The Ethereum supply shock well and truly at all-time highs. So Ethereum supply has never been the lowest that it is at right now. And in addition to this, just back in May, when Ethereum was overpriced, overbought, the supply shock is telling us that we are undervalued, that we are underpriced for Ethereum. So what that generally means, and is very obvious, is the Ethereum supply shock should be bringing the price of Ethereum to crazy degrees. Based on the supply, prices are generally according to the supply of crypto on the exchanges. That's a certain factor that prices cryptos. And by the way the supply is, that it's at an extreme low, the all-time highs for being lowest it's ever been, means that the price of Ethereum should be worth a lot more. And since it is not, that goes to show you that is a forerunner saying, hey, Ethereum is actually supposed to be worth this and it's not worth that, it means that Ethereum will be catching up to that number. And Ethereum will do that very fast. So this is incredible to see because Ethereum has brought up the entire crypto market the last couple of weeks. Ethereum has brought a lot of excitement back into the market for all cryptos, Dogecoin, Bitcoin, Cardano, a lot of our favorite cryptos. So this is definitely, it helps you to see when you look at on-chain data like this is information about the blockchain of Ethereum and other cryptocurrencies, which all of that information is public. But these people, especially this expert here, WEBULL, what he does is he creates charts with that information that is public, transparent information about blockchains. So we want to always pay attention. If you want to find out the strength of the market, where cryptos are headed, pay attention to Ethereum and Bitcoin. Those two are the biggest cryptos and they can move the entire crypto market. Now let's go to this, another on-chain data expert sentiment. He says the ratio of Bitcoin on the exchanges has now fallen to its lowest price since June 2019. We haven't seen this low in a long time. So look at this. The bottom price is the balance of the exchanges, that like yellowish or purplish, that brownish line. That's the supply of crypto on the exchanges. The green is the price. Like we called out a month ago, a couple of months ago, the last couple of weeks, been telling you all, look, the crypto balance on the exchanges is dropping fast and fast and fast. And when that happens, there is a supply shortage. This causes short squeezes. This causes cryptos to pump up very strong and very fast. This is one of the main metrics and reasons for cryptocurrencies to go up, because there is a supply shortage. It's like supply and demand, the housing market or lumber, whatever it is. When you see a supply shortage, the prices just continue to go up and up and up and up and up. So we're seeing Bitcoin and Ethereum supply shortages. What this is showing us right now is that the prices are not even in sync with how low the balance on crypto on the exchanges is. So we're about to see another massive run here very soon for cryptocurrencies. Mark my words. Now let's go ahead and dive into some technical analysis. Yes, cryptos have been kind of chilled for the last couple of days. They haven't really moved too much. They're not really going crazy. But what we can see here is if we zoom in, we are still seeing higher highs and higher lows. We did get a decent drop here, but that shows you, look at this quick little drop right here. Look at how fast this is for Ethereum, how fast we got brought up. And we are forming an inverse head and shoulders right now. So this is extremely bullish. And even if we weren't even looking at the inverse head and shoulders, we are seeing a new high made, a higher high made. So we are still in an uptrend. We're still zigzagging up even in this area. But most importantly, we are forming an inverse head and shoulders, which is a bullish reversal pattern. So but for this is actually going to be a bullish continuation pattern. So when we see this, look, we were actually forming a downtrend right here. And that's where I was getting a little concerned that we were going to enter maybe for a couple of days into a bearish market, but we got brought right back up by the bulls. They brought this thing right back up. So we are seeing this inverse head and shoulders play out, which is the neckline is right here. So if we come back up to approach the neckline, which is about $3,200, we could see a massive breakout in this area. And we can measure the breakout from the length of the head all the way to the shoulders or the neckline, which would bring us to about $3,500. Give or take. The next run up for Ethereum is going to probably bring us closer to this area right here before we start to see maybe a bit of a downtrend, if we even do see one. So that is likely to happen in the next couple of weeks for us to hit $3,500. We could see that in the next couple of days here, especially if we start to get some strong bullish momentum. But there's a bit of fear in the markets with the inflation reading tomorrow, things we have to pay attention to. Bitcoin still forming higher highs and higher lows, just perfectly uptrend, perfectly textbook uptrend. Looking at Dogecoin, what we are seeing is a bullish flag, which is followed by a big pump up. We had a bit of a consolidation period, which we're almost looking just like Ethereum. Look at this inverse head and shoulders. We can definitely see that here very easily. But what we are also forming is a bullish flag, which is a big pump up followed by a consolidation period, which is happening right now. So the bears are not able to drive the price down any further from this level, which our level of support is about 25 cents, give or take. We have a strong level of support here, which if we end up breaking down, we're going to be seeing 23 cents, 23.5 cents. And these are our bearish scenarios, but we can definitely come up and pump and break 28.5 cents. And it's looking like if we get some strong bullish momentum that we could break into the 30-cent range here in the next couple of days. So that's definitely what is in the cards for the future. If you guys want a good platform to buy and sell cryptocurrencies, use my WEBULL link if you sign up and deposit $100. Using my link, they will send you 2 free stocks worth up to $4,000. And if you want to be able to trade cryptocurrencies tax-free, use my iTrust Capital link, which is also my video description. If you got something out of the video, make sure you smash the like button, share this video with some of your friends and family, and I will see you all tonight. Have a good one.